Welcome to my channel once again. This is Ejai Crypto. If this is your first time of reaching my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And this is live chat on BTC on a daily candle. We just want to know through the analysis, we want to check whether if Bitcoin is still going to go down more or is going to go up. Seriously, I'm on daily candle. Yes, if you check, you can see that this is daily chart. This is daily chart. I just want us to look at the top down analysis. We'll start from monthly chart. Let us look at the monthly chart where Bitcoin is. As you can see, on a monthly, Bitcoin had got to 73,800, surpassing the previous all-time high, which was what, 69,000. 69,000. Yes, it surpassed the previous all-time high. Now go to what? 73,800. So what do you think will happen next? Looking at the top-down analysis, now, and you see that this particular month, which is June, it has shown a reversal candle, And if you check on this left-hand side, we can see an M pattern form. It goes up, it comes down to this place, covering what we call liquidity void. The price started here in 2020, October 31st. Bitcoin was trading at this social price we are seeing here now, 19,101. Now the price now skyrocketed up to where? This place. When it got there, then price now came down again to $29,000. Now from there again, it went up again, surpassing the previous all-time high, which was what? 65,000, and got to where? $69,000. Now price now drop again, covering the liquidity void. Look at it. Price now came down again, down to where? 17,000. Even go to where? Even go to $15,419. So what do you see here? That price usually retrace or reverse from where it has got to. So why I'm making this analysis, for me to show you that since you have seen Bitcoin going up to $73,000, do not be surprised that the price of Bitcoin will crash back. Yes, the price of Bitcoin might crash back. And why am I saying this? Look at the previous analysis now. You can see how it bought, got to here, then surpassed it, came up again, came down, now went up again, surpassing the previous all-time high, which is what? $69,000. It surpassed it. And now came to where it is now. And what is the charts telling you? It is a sell for this month. It is a sell. So now, if Bitcoin will cover this, let me say, these two most buy, look at here. If it is must cover these two most, look at this, look at here. There is possibility that Bitcoin might even come to this place. This is the worst case scenario, $48,000. There is possibility it might come there. Then there is also possibility that it might stop at here, 60 something thousand. Okay, for us to understand it more, let us look at weekly chart. Look at weekly chart. We have checked the monthly chart. Okay, for us to get that scenario very, very powerfully, let us get it right now. Look at on the weekly chart. There is possibility that Bitcoin might come to this. Looking at this, the last sell candle. When the last sell candle high, this is the last sell candle where you are seeing that doji. Look at this red hair. This is the last sell candle high, was violated by this bullish candle. And now the thing went up and start consolidating here, That consolidation couldn't take Bitcoin above $73,000. We were expecting it to hit $75,000, but it couldn't get there. So it's now coming down to gather momentum. And this thing you are seeing here, there is possibility that Bitcoin will come to 62,000 or 61,000. Looking at what is happening, Bitcoin is selling this week, and on the monthly chart is also selling. So I'm also seeing Bitcoin hitting this level, $51,000. If it covers it, if it covered $51,000, that means there will be a whole lot of panic in the market. But what I want to tell us here is that do not panic. It's another level. It's another time for you to do what? Enter new position. It will be very great opportunity, and there you will see all these big shots. All of them will enter new position. So do not panic sell. Do not panic sell. That is why I am making this video. Don't panic sell when you see Bitcoin drop to this level. Do not panic and sell your Bitcoin. Rather, enter new position from there, because where we are looking at Bitcoin hitting, no be small thing. If you are hearing me, it's not gonna be a little matter. Look at monthly chart, because once it comes down to this level, is going to surpass this previous all-time high now, which the current all-time high, which is 73,000. Once you get to 75, you will retrace a little bit, move up again. But looking at, okay, let's look at daily candle. Look at daily candle. Look at daily. That is to show you that it is possible that Bitcoin might touch $62,000. Looking at this level now, $62,000 is another block. There is another block that shows there. You can see it. So there is possibility, because this is where they bought before. Why do I call it other block? Look at that last sell candle. Look at it. The one that this thing is on now. This is the last sell candle. And its high, the high of that sell candle, which is here, was done what? Violated. Was violated by a buy candle that shows a bullish scenario, and the market continued to buy and go to where? And go to $63,000. So from there now, we have seen a sell. You can see that this chart is actually showing me that this is a sell, and Bitcoin have started selling since then. So I'm looking at it coming down to $62,000 on a daily chart. Yes, 62,400. And when you see Bitcoin come down to this place, it's a good opportunity for you to do what? Buy. Rather, so one thing I want to tell you here is that please don't panic sell. Do not panic sell. There are a whole lot of fundamental, and a whole lot of, in fact, a whole lot of things. We just had a what we call Bitcoin ETF, and the Bitcoin halving has also taken place, and mass adoption is also taking place. Mass adoption, never in the history of Bitcoin that I have seen this mass adoption. People coming in, people who do not know anything about the cryptocurrency, all of them are coming into the system. So do not panic and sell. Hold your coin. Rather, take new position. So I'm looking at $62,000. The worst case scenario, let's shrink the chart. If it must come down to take off this old low, okay, let's say it will now come to $60,000. The worst is taking up this low, which is about $56,000. But with what we are seeing now, that Bitcoin might likely touch $62,000. So that is my own analysis, and that is exactly what I'm seeing in this chart. So please try and subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video. The aim of this video is to help you to understand that this is not the time for you to do what? Panic sell. Rather, hold your coin, take new position. If Bitcoin have left you at $72,000, please do not panic sell, because we know that it's going to surpass there again. Yes, it's going to surpass there. You know, a whole lot of people are new in the crypto. Many of them do not understand, and many of them, when this thing start going down to $62,000 or $60,000, they will start crying. But calm down, your salvation is very close. Thank you very much. See you in another wonderful video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, and make the video to go viral. Thank you.